Hi, today we'll be covering some technical doubts usually occur in MKA modulating Modbus type cassettes of MIDIA. So, most commonly asked questions in MKA modulating Modbus type cassette unit is how to set the address of the unit, how to give device ID to the unit. So for that, we have to go to the PCB board, and when we go to the PCB board we see a dial switch. This dial switch is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 A, B, C, D, E, F, and there is a dip switch just besides it. So इस डायल स्विच से हम लोग इस कैसेट को सेट कर सकते हैं टू द डिज़ायर्ड एड्रेस, जो भी हमको सेट करना है. ठीक है, फ्रॉम 1 to 16 वी कैन सेट. एंड वंस हमारा 16 का सेट कंप्लीट हो जाता है तो फिर जो डिप स्विच है ये प्ले में आता है. हम ये डिप स्विच का कोई भी एक सेटिंग चेंज कर देंगे. तो जैसा अभी ये मैंने ऑन कर दिया और इसको ऑफ रखा है, तो फिर से मैं इसका एक 16 का रोटेशन ले सकता हूँ. लाइकवाइज आई कैन एड्रेस 64 यूनिट इन वन लूप. ओके, तो ये था about addressing, how to address the cassette unit. And now second most commonly asked question is where to connect the BMS cable. Where to connect the BMS cable, what cable is to be used for BMS. Okay, now we have to see that if we are using Modbus protocol, then we have to use this port naming PQE. And if we are using BACnet protocol, we have to use this port labeled XYE. PQE is for Modbus, XYE is for BACnet. Modbus is an open protocol, you can directly connect it to a third party gateway, but for BACnet आपको लगेगा MIDIA का gateway because this is proprietary. ठीक है, next we have this was about BACnet and Modbus, and what cable is to be used for BMS. So it is advisable that 0.75 square mm cable shielded 3 core. Okay, so this was about how to address the unit. To address the unit, we have to address it from this dial switch, and to change the setting, matlab once we have completed 16 loop, then we have to once we have completed a loop of 16 cassette, then we have to use this dip switch to enter into another loop of 16. For Modbus, we have to use port PQE. For BACnet, we have to use port XYE. In BACnet, we have to take a gateway from MIDIA, but in Modbus, you can directly communicate it to the third party gateway. In cable to be used for communicating in BMS is 0.75 square mm 3 core shielded cable. Okay, this was regarding the addressing and looping etc. about the cassette. Thank you.